ability to create dynamic files is one of the basic functionality of our software. The default repository has a lot of useful examples. One of them is called Dynamically Create Excel file based on field value. Here's this example. So we loaded data from a comma delimited file. And first step we need to do, we need to sort the data by the field. In our case, it is year. See, year is selected. Then what we need to do, we need to check if the year changed, and we save it to the variable. Is a variable called file name. And this processor function actually triggers creating new file. And then we use the variable name inside the file name. See, here it is a variable name. We can use the same within the sheet name as well. So we can dynamically create sheets. And if we run it, and we can see from the logs, we created 2 files. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.